5 ways to create multiple streams of income in your 20s. Ever wondered how you can create multiple streams of income in your 20s because you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to increase your income and achieve financial freedom? If you're in your 20s, now is the perfect time to acquire some digital assets and start creating multiple streams of income. In this video, we'll share 5 ways you can start building multiple streams of income in your 20s so you can achieve your financial goals and live the life you've always wanted. Cut down bills and increase income. Although having many sources of income is ideal, it won't go very far if your expenses continue to rise. When you're low on cash, one of the first things to focus on is reducing your outgoing expenses. After all, you're probably not making full use of your current plan and are thus overpaying. Here are some ideas on where to start cutting down bills. Utility bills. Consider paying more attention to how much electricity and water you use. This can quickly add up. Subscriptions. Let's be honest, how many subscriptions do you currently have? How many of those are you actually using, and how many are just racking up your credit card? Memberships. When was the last time you went to the gym, seriously? Consider looking into alternatives and from-home workouts or community-based gyms. Number 1, how to create multiple streams of income in your 20s. Whether you got a full ride or have taken out loans, you're likely wondering how to create income streams in your 20s and start earning extra income. Generally, it all comes down to how much time and resources you have available. If you have some extra cash available, you could invest in a rental property to generate some rental income, or you could invest in the stock market and then receive the dividend stocks to earn passively. However, what kind of post-college grad has money available to buy rental properties? Likely not many, which is why this article is going to be more geared toward finding alternative income ideas that could potentially generate passive income. 1. Evening babysitting jobs. Good old babysitting is often forgotten by the newer generations, despite its many perks and flexibility. 2. Pet or dog sitter jobs. Do you adore cats and dogs and can't get enough of them? Then this type of job may be ideal for you. It may seem like a dream job to snuggle up with some fluffs, but there really is a decent financial and personal reward for doing so. Your rate. In addition to the services you provide and the hours you're available to work, the rates you charge are a matter of personal taste. 3. Paid summer internship for college students. Internships are generally better than part-time jobs, both financially and in terms of the experience they provide. Here are some other benefits of internships. Increase your chances. Many companies increasingly use summer internships as a temp-to-hire process before making an offer. Boost your resume. Make yourself more competitive. 4. Become a freelancer. Does your degree have anything to do with a service you could provide online? If you're looking for a way to earn additional money while expanding your professional network, freelancing or contracting might be the answer. Here are some freelance examples: graphic design and illustration, social media management, podcast editing, video editing, data entry, copywriting, SEO blog writer, and so many more. Even if your degree is in a completely unrelated field, you could quickly learn how to provide digital services for clients through the following. YouTube channels. Let's be honest, what does YouTube not have? Skillshare, a platform by other freelance pros that teaches you everything you need to know. There are likely more, but there are probably the most popular ones. Pick a skill and start learning as much as you can. Take advantage of benefits such as the flexibility to set your own schedule, time, and rates while not being tied to one location. Alternative ways to create multiple streams of income in your 20s. If you're one of the lucky ones with some extra cash on hand, you could consider building multiple passive income streams through real estate, other online businesses, or investments. There are likely hundreds of multiple income stream ideas out there, so to be successful, you will likely need to focus on just very few to make it. Building multiple passive income streams through real estate and investments could be a viable option for those with extra cash on hand in their 20s, but success may require focusing on just a few ideas and seeking advice from a financial advisor. How many streams of income should you have? The answer will vary depending on your financial goals, personal circumstances, and the time and effort you're willing to invest. However, having multiple sources of income can provide a safety net against unexpected events, such as a job loss or economic downturn, and can also help you achieve financial freedom faster. No matter what you decide to invest in, the most important thing is that you start investing in some form or another to create something passive.